Can Alex hold your bear?
Did you order something from Amazon?
No. Well, you never know, but I don't think so.
Something I ordered this, but I don't know what that is. I think you're gonna like this. Yeah. This is gonna be an improvement.
Whoa. You think you can run this?
What the heck? This is Saving Miller.
Our first package?
What is going on? We don't use Saving Miller. I hear it, yeah.
Did you order a pair of pants?
No, I did not.
Well, this will complete your look.
I guess so. All these complaints about my apparel, my hoodie and stuff.
And your horrible.
Apparently that's not farmer enough.
And your horrible
So
t-shirts
someone
with
has
holes.
sent me a pair of overalls.
That's awesome.
Well, I guess no excuse. I gotta wear them now, huh?
Yes, this and the hat. Mini Farmer, do you think you need some bib overalls? Or should we stick with pretty dresses?
Check me out.
Whoa!
Well, this is a new experience for me.
You've never worn them before?
No.
What?
It's got
What
a
is
hammer loop. Even has pockets all over the place.
That's awesome. And you have a
Wow.
loop in the back?
A lot of pockets.
Oh, hold on. Something to finish your look. Do you recognize him? There's Mr. Farmer.
Well, thank you. You know who you are. I think I do too.
Who do you think it is?
Better than jeans, huh? What do you think about my pants?
They're pretty.
Well, now I gotta go feed the cows. Yeah, your dress is pretty. Yeah. How you like my pants? I don't have a dress like that, no. I think overalls is as far as I can go. All right, I'm gonna go move the cows.
Saving Miller out.